Hey loves, my name is Shubi and this is Shubi's TV. So today I'll be joining in holy matrimony with my best friend. Don't get it twisted, I did my makeup. Yes, I did. I love my makeup certain way. I called the makeup artist who worked on the bridesmaids, but I wanted to do my wedding makeup. I'm so excited for today because this is what I've always wanted for myself, and this is what everyone around me who love me want for me. I wanted a simple wedding dress and I made this wedding dress. It took me some days to work on this dress. Everything you can see were carefully hand stitched on the dress. The sleeve, the beadwork also were carefully hand stitched. It took me some days to do this and I'm so excited with the outcome. I used doll face satin to work on this, and then I used cord lace also. For the beadwork I used some crystal silver beads, freshwater pearls, seed beads. I also used some glass beads. These were just carefully hand picked by me and I'm so excited with the outcome. Wanted a very simple ivory wedding dress. This has always been my dream kind of wedding dress. I love it very simple. My wedding colors were ivory, royal blue and gold. I'm a naturalista, so I used my natural hair with just some additional kinky hair just to give it a little bit of puff.